Reading is to your mind what exercise is to your body. And I think one of the best exercises you could do to be mentally fit is to read more. If you want to be a lifelong learner, if you want to activate your quick brain and really take it to the next level of mental fitness, you need to schedule your reading. And I recommend starting with just 15 minutes. 15 minutes a day. And you're like, Jim, I don't have 15 minutes. You have 15 minutes. We all have the same amount of time, and that's the truth. How we allocate that. So it's not even about time management, it's more about priority management. And what I'm here to say is that you are important. That one of the ways you show love to yourself, self-love, is through self-care and doing the things that you would want the people you care about to do. And reading should be right up on top because it keeps you mentally alert. If you want a clear brain fog, if you want greater focus, if you want more empathy and emotional intelligence, reading should be top of your list.